Okay, now Ozzy's guinea pig has gotten in his little bubble. And when he gets in his bubble, he just kind of runs all over the place. And so Ozzy's not quite sure what to do with him in his bubble.
I'll get him right now. I think it'll work its way out, right?
That thing will go in and out stuff, won't it?
Get him out, get him. Go get it. Go get it. Come get it. Here he comes. Okay, look. Here he comes. He's going everywhere. Whoop. Whoop. There you go. Now. Okay.
Okay, that is Ozzy's adventure with the guinea pig in the bubble.